Hello, grade one. Welcome to our math class. First topic in math, we are going to learn how to count. I know that some of you know already how to count from 1 to 10. But let me still discuss to you on how to count numbers from 1 to 10. Are you ready now? Okay, let's start with the first picture. What do you see in the picture? Of course, you can't answer me because this is a recorded video. So I'll be the one to answer my own question. So in this picture, we see some apples. We have apples. Apples. Do you like apples? If you like apples, just tell me when we have our Zoom session in the future. Okay? So let's count how many apples there are in the picture. We have, can you help me, grade one? We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 apples in the picture, right? So how do you write number 4? This is how you're going to write number 4. Look at the screen. We have 4. This is how you write number 4. And to write number 4 in word, you have to start with letter F. 4. We have 4. F. O. 4. U. And R. This is read as 4. Okay? So 4, it means there are 4 apples in the picture. 4 can also be a number of toys you have at home, right? Okay, so let's have another example. We have strawberries. I know that we love strawberries. Most of you love strawberries. And usually we can find strawberries where? Here in Cainta, here in Berea, or in Baguio City. I think it's in Baguio City. Yes. So let's count how many strawberries there are in this picture. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 strawberries. Let's count them again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 strawberries. There are 7 strawberries in the picture. And how do you write number 7? This is how you're going to write number 7. You have, this is number 7. And how do you write number 7 in words? 7, the word 7 starts with letter S. You're right. We have letter S. Se, ven. So seven. So we have letter V, ven. 7. This is 7. Okay? So we have 7 strawberries in the picture. So my challenge to you is you are going to count 7 objects. Okay? You just look around you, around your house, around your room, and try to collect 7 objects. Okay, let's move on to the next example. We have bananas. Let's count how many bananas there are in the picture. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 bananas in the picture. And how do you write number 5? We have 5. This is how you're going to write number 5. And to write 5 in word, 5 starts with letter F, right? So we have 5. 5. 5. This is read as 5. Okay? So I know you know how to write the number 5, But your challenge is how you're going to write number 5 in words. No, number 5 in word. You have to know the correct spelling. If you don't know the spelling, you can always ask your mommy, your daddy. Okay, for our next example, I'm going to introduce to you this picture. We call this picture as 10 frame. How do you call it again? This is called 10 frame. Why? It's just very simple because there are 10 of them. If this is full of objects, full of apples, then there are 10 apples. You don't have to count the apples because this is called 10 frame. It means if this is full, then there are 10 of them. Okay? So let's have an example. I'm going to write here stars, draw stars, 1. I'm going to draw a star in each box. This is my favorite figure, star. So the 10 frame is full. If I'm going to ask you how many stars are there in the picture, your answer should be 10. You don't have to count it anymore because the 10 frame is already full. But we have to check if the number of stars is really 10. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, there are 10 of them. So I'm going to write number 10 in this manner. We have to start with 1, followed by 0. This is how you're going to write number 10. Okay, 1 first, followed by 0. That's 10. And 10 in word is, we have T, E, and N. This is 10. Okay, so let's have another example. In this example, the 10 frame has only one object. This is called counter. Okay, how do you call this again? Counter. Counter. So this is a counter. There's only one counter here. So we are going to write 1. Okay? And 1 in word is O, N, E. This is 1. Okay? Next, I'm going to add one more. So there are how many counters now altogether? We have 1, 2. So there are 2 counters. So I'm going to write here number 2. This is how you're going to write number 2. And to spell out the word 2, you have to start with letter T, followed by W, W, and then O. This is 2. Okay? 2 apples, 2 counters, 2 objects, 2 toys, 2 cell phones, and so on. Next, I'm going to add one more counter. So there are how many counters now in the 10 frame? We have 1, 2, 3. There are 3 counters, and how do you write number 3? This is how you're going to write number 3. Something like this. Okay? And to spell out the word 3, you have to start with letter T, followed by H, 3. 3. Then you have letter R, E, and another E. This is 3. 3 counters, 3 objects, 3 apples, 3 bananas, and so on. And if you're going to add one more counter, we have number 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we already discussed about number 4 a while ago. So I'm just going to write number 4 here and 4 in word. Next, we have how many counters now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are 5 counters, and how you're going to write number 5? This is how you're going to do it. 5. And to spell out the word 5, we have F, I, B, and E. We already discussed this a while ago, right? And next number is number 6. There are 6 counters in the 10 frame. There are 6 counters. Let's count if there are really 6 counters. Let's have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And to write number 6, we have 6. That's how you write number 6. And to spell out the word 6, 6 starts with letter S, followed by I, and then X. This is 6. Right? We're almost there. The next number is, what do you think? What do you think is the next number? Let's see if the number you're thinking right now is correct. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the next number is 7, and this is how you're going to write number 7. Again, we already discussed number 7 a while ago. And to spell out the word 7, we have S-E, 7. Okay, 7. Next number. We have number, what number? Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, our next number is 8. And how do you write number 8? We have 8. This is how you're going to write number 8 properly. And to spell out the word 8, I know the word 8 is, for some students, it's really hard to spell out the word 8, but let's try our best to spell out the word 8. 8 starts with letter E, followed by I, then G, then 8, H, then T. This is read as 8. Okay. Next, the number that comes after 8 is let's count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So the next number is 9, and to write number 9, we have 9. This is how you write number 9, and of course, you are also asked to write number 9 in Word. How do you do it? We have 9, 9, 9. Say 9. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Okay? And the last number that we're going to discuss is number 10. Look at this grade 1. Look at this grade 1. The 10 frame is already full. It's full of counters. It means there are 10 counters all inside this 10 frame, right? We don't have to count the counters because we know already that this is full. Okay? So this is how you're going to write number 10 and 10 in Word. So that's it, grade 1. That's it. So that's how you're going to count numbers from 1 to 10. Let's do it again. Using your fingers. Follow me. 1. Say 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. See, if you're going to use up all your fingers, then there should be 10 all in all. We have 10 fingers. Okay? So that's it, grade 1, and see you on my next videos. Bye-bye.